a bag to go on an international flight to check in is 50 pounds. How many pounds? 70 pounds. Day one in Paris was pretty good. Got to the Airbnb. Traffic was really crazy with our taxi guy because of the whole transit. And then we came to a nice restaurant, and that restaurant was mad dope. Where we are right now. Took a walk up to the Arc de Triomphe. But this is what it's all about. It's about experiences. It's about taking these little moments and making them as memories. And, you know, we'll see what next is at the store.
It's like, I wanted to get the camera. I really wanted to do that. But the app is called.
It'd be just like this, bro.
It just be so dope. Like
it's all about the camera.
Yeah, it's all about the camera, bro.
And the person that's like taking the picture.
Okay.
Yeah,
But then they also use editing things too, right? Like,
I mean, yeah, that, but it's not so much of the camera itself.
Okay.
Yeah, and the person that's taking it.
All right, so our guy is here. We're about to cross the street. I'm head over there right now. It's starting to rain too. So the Uber just came just in time for real.
The wind blowing, that's all it is.
You said just the wind?
Yeah.
Tough guy over here, man. Tough guy over here. Yo, man, we G's, man. We G's, bro. We don't care about that shit, G. Come on, man. But yeah, this is it. Day 2. About to hop in the Benz and head home.
French lessons 101.
French lessons 101.
And Bakuya,
That's
hilarious.
That's it? That's all you got for us?
I can teach y'all Turkish.
Nah, bravo.
Bravo.
Stumbled across this market. Got some nice calzone. I think I'm gonna try this. This looks pretty interesting.
Facciamo onore a Leonardo. Oggi la porchetta è finita tutta la salsiccia.
Yeah, he is though. Oh, I just thought he was speaking French.
But it did sound like Italian though.
Nah, it's Italian, yeah. How do you say, do you speak English or Italian?
Certo che parliamo inglese, noi parliamo tutte le lingue.
You speak English?
Yeah, speak English.
Okay.
La lingua universale parliamo.
Oui. Yeah. What is that?
Mushroom.
Yeah, a little bit.
Mash.
Yeah,
Ooh, look at them.
Good?
Bravo.
Magnifico.
Annoying. But that looks so good though. What is it?
It's a calzone.
Calzone.
Made from my dude, Fresco Papi.
Eddie. No, come over here. Eddie, Fresco Papi. What about you? What'd you get?
Same thing.
What's your nickname? What's your nickname?
Oh, my nickname?
Alright, so
Irina.
I got mushroom, sausage. We did get the sausage and mozzarella.
Ooh, our food is gonna slap. You get that? Our food. That's okay.
Still have them, cut it.
I already bit out of it. Bro.
It's so?
This is a dub.
Sit down. Come sit next to me so we can eat. Oh.
Many men wish death upon me. Blood in my dog and I can't see. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be. And niggas trying to take my life away. I put a hole in a nigga for fucking with me. My back on the wall, now you gon' see. Better watch how you talk when you talk about me. Cause I'll come and take your life away. Many men, many men wish death on me, Lord. I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me.
So Isaac keep finding dope places and shit. I don't even know what this is, for real. Look crazy. It's like a museum. Ooh.
I'm the underground king, and I ain't been crowned. When I rhyme,
Take a picture of him and edit it. Make it, like those
Bro, yeah, I know what you're talking about. Like if somebody were like, even if it was like close like this or whatever, they edit it right perfectly.
got a temper, nigga, go ahead. Lose your head. Turn your back on me. Lose your leg. I walk around on my waist.
Exhibition. Modern art. Ooh.
like different artists.
Different people from all around the world.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Artists from all around the world can pretend to after selection.
Okay.
That's cool.
So enjoy.
Thank you.
Merci.
Yeah, merci beaucoup. So day 2, went to the Louvre. We took the transit for the first time. We went to the Louvre, but not really actually go to the Louvre. We kind of just, who knows, man, just took pictures outside and came inside, used the Wi-Fi, because a lot of us actually don't have data here. So we stayed here for a minute and did our thing. But it was pretty cool to say the least. Let me just place this right here. I like it a lot. I think it's pretty cool. People watch me acting crazy because they don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just talking on the phone, so. Peace. Somebody's definitely playing the piano, and I love classical music. Let's go check this out.